In today's video, I will guide you through how you can archive channels and chats in Slack. So let's get started. So first is that I'm going to show you on how you can archive a channel. So in here, I have a channel here, for example, this one right here. I'm going to right click on that channel. And from here, you would want to go into view channel details. And now you want to go into settings. And then you should have the option to archive channel for everyone. So this is how you can archive your channel by clicking here and clicking here again. And that's it. The channel is now archived. Now, what if you would want to archive a chat? Then it's very simple. So all you have to do is to just select a chat. So I'm just going to move into a new workspace, for example, in here, and I would want to archive this chat. I want to right click on this and click here on hide. And then from here, their messages and channels will be hidden from you and you won't be notified anymore. And you could always unhide them later in the preferences and then click here on hide this person. And then just like that, you have now archived your chat in here. So yeah, that's it on how you can archive your channels and chats in Slack. Thank you for watching.